Now actually last video you could see this thing academic student academy has been created and inserted that values by using insert into. So I have inserted these many values in this table and roll number is the primary key. These are all numerics. Why we are going to give this one as numeric marks and all numeric field. If you are not going to give this one as a numeric field, you cannot add up those things. So in order to adding or subtracting, any calculation has been done in numeric fields only, number fields only, so that you have to make these columns as well as total and average also becoming as numeric field, number field. Okay, now I'm just going to make use of this select with update also. Now see here, up to now you learned everything with the select. Now we are going to learn update. So what is the syntax for that? Update, table name, set values. What values? Now I'm just going to make total equals m1 plus m2 plus m3 plus m4. I'm just going to make update a particular field, that is, you see here. So now this total, we are just going to make this total by summing up of all these things. I'm just making the total is null, where I'm just going to add up those things and going to make this total. Now you cannot enter any other total marks. Total marks are the one which have to be added four things and to be given here. Average is the total divided by 4. Those things should be now going to be done in this query now, like this. Set. So this one, okay, m1 plus m2 plus m3 m4. Now press f5. 12 rows has been affected. So now what are the things? If you want to see again, select, where is this select? Yes, now here if you want to see the action output, now press f5. See here, total has been updated. So here I have given to update those things. Okay, now here I have given select. Now it is already updated. Again, if you want to update this average column, what should you do? Again, what should you do? Again, you can give update student academic set average values, no? So average equals total divided by 4. That's it, right? Only 4 subjects are there. So total divided by 4 gives the average. Press F5. 12 rows has been updated. Now select star from student academic from, press F5. See here, now all the average marks also has been updated by the system automatically. You didn't do anything, you just give only one line, that is update this table name and set values. What values? Total equal to m1 plus m2 plus m3 plus m4 and average equal to total divided by 4. Both the things has been given. According to that, the compiler has been executed and made this total as well as average according to your calculation. This is what total, finding total and average. This is what updation command. You learned in 11th standard. This is the revision portion, but you should know very well about this updation, how it works. So you have to work out so many updation commands also. Okay, in this video I just made like that. In next video I will go into it, and in between I want to show you some of the things also. So in updation you can do so many things. For example, if you want to say that select current date or date of birth, whatever, from do it, and you can make any of the calculations also. So if you see here, addition of two numbers also can be done. You see here, So select operations can do all the multiplication. Select 10 into 2, 10 into this particular number. Suppose